It is always fun to do something you've never done when it comes to cakes. Today, I'm going to be doing a graduation themed cake in which I am making a hat. I love doing construction cakes. They are the best, whether it's a sculpted cake or it's a cake that's going to be something that stands out. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some corn syrup and I'm diluting it with our color solution. The color solution is has a high proof alcohol plus some gums, and the combination between the corn syrup and the color solution is the perfect edible glue. It dries so quickly and it's just enough of a base to help it adhere. Now, one thing I hate is doing little tiny cakes in fondant. They are the hardest, especially the little round ones. Okay, this is cool. So what I did was I created all these little striations on a piece of flat, thin fondant that allowed me to make the tassel. To finish it off, I ended up using a little bit of wedding gold to airbrush it on. My beautiful assistant, my gorgeous Holly, is over here coloring the different letters that we're going to use as an accent. Now, don't pay attention to that straw that went crooked. I had to put that in there. I am now leveling it, making sure it's all perfect. And that's my version of a simple graduation cake. I enjoy making cakes like this, and it's a simple design anybody can make from home.